Hi, this is going to be a video on how to solidify faces that are coming in from another program, maybe from Maya or something like that. We've actually got some objects here that were flower petals. They were extruded from an SVG file from Illustrator and extruded up. And this is what actually came out from, was exported as an OBJ from Maya. So if we see here the Maya file, it looks fine. All right. Actually going to try to deselect over here. But if you look at it, the object is fine. I actually already triangulated this. This is what we're going to have to do. What the problem here is that the printing program does not understand when you have a face that has multiple edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a lot of edges in there. So because it has multiple edges, it can't print this thing. It can only do something that's a quadrangle or a triangle. So something with 4 sides or something with 3 sides. So what I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to zoom out here and I'm going to select all of these. You can actually go to right click and go to face and then select the faces. Let me just double check, see if it's actually selecting the faces that I wanted it to. Alright, I'm going to select the faces individually, holding shift to select more than one. And you can just try, I tried it with these two to see if it would work, and see if it would work with multiple. Then you go to mesh and triangulate. Alright, and then it just cuts it up. Now each of these faces has an object, or excuse me, triangles instead of, or with only 3 edges rather than these multiple complex polygons that it has to deal with. Okay, so I'm going to turn this around, see what we got on the back side. Looks like the back side we have them too, so I might as well, holding Alt as I click and drag, and I'm going to select all of these faces again. Okay, and there's a couple different options. Hold on a second. You can do modify, mesh, triangular, or quadrangulate, depending on what. I'm just going to use triangles because I know they're easy. So those are all now triangles. I'm confident that this is going to be a exportable object. So I went right click and went to object again. Right click object, select the object. I got it. Now I'm going to file, export selection as an OBJ. Flower petals is what it was. Alright, I'll make this flower petals triangulated. And we'll see how that goes. As I go back into the printing program, I'm going to go to add models. We're going to look for the one that I just saved. Kummerfeld petals triangulated. Open. And I think I'd set this to 5,000%. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, now you can see what happened is now it's able to read it and it's able to slice it up and print it. Versus here, I don't think this would actually turn out okay.